guys, January 15th, 2021. This one I got a call from some Portuguese guy that got a problem with one of his heaters in his house. One of them's working, one of them's not. So, I've been there before, like 5 years ago or something, 8 years ago. So I'm going over there now and seeing if we can figure out what's going on with this beast.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn left on County Street.
Steve is working again, y'all. Steve is working again, Mama. Yeah. Oh, this one's working. Let's go take a look upstairs. This one don't work.
Yeah, these look.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, you?
Okay.
Esse eu vou master.
Oh, okay.
Prenda master.
I think this...
Prenda.
Vou por esse dia, vou por ele. Sai dele.
Esse eu vou master.
Dá pra baixo.
It's set at 46, and the thing's set at 46. It's not going to come on at 46, guy. It's set at 46.
I don't know if it's work.
She has the thermostat set too low. She has the thermostat.
Oh,
She has the thermostat set at 46.
46.
So it's not going to come on. It was too low. She had the temperature too low. All right, we set it for 72 now. You had it set for too low.
I think this one is not work.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Well, we're gonna check it downstairs.
Because the downstairs work fine.
Well, we're gonna check this, but the thermostat.
Sometimes my sister put in 80.
It was
Still it's
at.
not work.
Well, let's check it, guy. I mean, the thermostat was set low, so let's make sure if maybe it was just not set properly. You know what I mean?
Downstairs work fine. I will pick up the master. Downstairs work fine, so upstairs is not work.
They're both calling. I think it's got air in it. Second floor zone's calling. First floor zone's calling. It was coming down easy. And just purge this second floor zone. Yeah, she's starting to come back. She's starting to come back warm now. There must have been air in it. You can come feel it now with your hand. This is the first. That's the second. It's just starting to come back. Feel it? Starting to come back warm. There was air in it.
Because this
is the first. See, one.
Cold before.
See this? See this is nice and. But they had the thermostat too low. The thermostat has to be set above what they want the room temperature to be for the heat to work. It was at 46. When I went up there, it was set at 46. So that zone wouldn't have ran unless they raised it, calling for more heat, right?
Yeah, because maybe my mother, because I thought she, this one is gonna
It's starting to warm up. I might have to purge it some more. I might have to give it some.
Working because it's cold before.
It's really well. It was 70. The thermostat said 75 up there. It didn't seem too cold to me. Might have to purge it some more. Let's try. You still got the hose in there? Yeah.
Yeah. Those days.
Let's do some more. Let's try giving it a little bit more of a purge.
Yeah. Okay.
Just the hose shouldn't pop out.
Okay.
I just want to give it a good.
Yeah, the water's coming.
Good purge. Yeah, I could feel some more air in there. Give it a good. How you doing? Because if there's air up there, it won't work right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Maybe it's gonna work now.
Well, let's give it a good purge. Can hear it gurgling?
Yeah, the water?
Yeah, there's air in with the water because I could feel it. Let's give it a good one.
Yeah.
Give it a good douche, you know?
Yeah. Okay. The water coming.
Nothing like a good douche. We got it bypassed, so we're giving it a good flow. Yeah, I'm starting to really get warm now. Yeah, I could really feel it now. Oh yeah. Alright, we'll run it now. Oh yeah, she's coming back warm now. Wow. Come feel it now. Put your hand on there.
Yeah.
Nice and hot, right? Feel the first floor. Now, when this zone is calling, this lever will pull down easy. See how easy that lever pulls down?
Okay.
Feel it.
Oh.
Put your other hand on that. Pull that lever down on that thing. Pull it down.
Oh,
yeah,
here?
that lever. Just pull it down.
Oh, waist time.
Okay, now push it back up.
Yeah.
Now, when it's not calling, that will be hard to pull down.
Oh, waist.
So you know it's easy. It's
Okay.
calling because it's
Wonderful.
pulling down easy.
Okay.
Feel this one too. This one's the same way. Just watch out for
Yeah.
You can feel it. Feel it. Pull it down. The lever's on this side.
Oh, okay.
Pull it down.
Oh, okay.
See how it came down easy?
Yes. And
If that thermostat wasn't calling, that would come down real hard.
oh, okay. Yeah, never nobody told me anything. This why I don't touch.
All right. So now both thermostats, we'll have to put the thermostats down where you want them. But I know that they're working. But there was air in this thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so it's at 69 in there. See 69?
Yeah. Okay.
But the room's set at 73. See it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to hit the down button. I'm going to put 70
Okay.
over here.
Okay.
Now, if you want it hotter, you got to push the up button
Yeah.
and go up. But this is the setting.
Okay.
Not this. This is the room temperature.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So it's here set at 46.
Oh.
So that, it wasn't running, plus it needed to be purged.
Yeah.
We're on system on. Every so often you have to change these batteries.
I put this new one, like
Okay.
maybe 3-4 weeks.
Yeah. All right. So it's set. Room temperature. Okay.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to read it, but so it's set. It's working. You felt it. It's nice and warm, right?
So how much is gonna be?
Huh?